Hi Blum fans! Shortly before Interzoom, I visited Blum, Poland and talked about box systems and what they need to do in different living areas outside the kitchen. Now I'm here experiencing Blum's trade fair highlight. The new PLICOBOX box system has been specially developed for bedrooms and living rooms. The innovation centers on a new folding base, developed in close collaboration with the wood-based materials manufacturer EGA. It's the base and back-in, one that makes manufacturing and assembling the box system a walk in the park. True to the tagline, fold, push, done. All you have to do is push the folding base into the drawer sides and secure it without tools. Then connect the cabinet profiles, which can be used for both PLICOBOX metal drawer sides and for wooden drawers, which is another new feature. All the components come in flat pack packaging, which is also space-saving and helps to optimize internal logistics. The new box system has a load-bearing capacity of up to 25 kilograms and impresses with proven Blum technology. PLICOBOX comes in 3 trendy colors and with its slim design goes beautifully with the look of modern furniture. This is also confirmed by the Interzoom 2025 Best of the Best Award. I think that's really amazing, so talk with your Blum contact about it. Best wishes, Tony.